Hi, I'm Sheridan from Kanata Education, and today let's talk about why Canada is a top choice for international students like you. Here are 5 benefits of studying in Canada. Number 1, world-class education. Number 2, post-graduation work opportunities. Number 3, safe and student-friendly country. Number 4, affordable compared to other countries. And number 5, pathway to permanent residency. And remember, andito ang Kanata Education para tulungan ka. Hindi mo kailangan kabahan kung paano simulan ang lahat. Dahil andito kami para gabayan ka hanggang makarating ka sa Canada. Kaya tara na! Simulan na natin yung journey mo.